Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Voyager versus Borg Tactical Cube. We'll explore their core capabilities, tactical advantages, and potential weaknesses. Understanding these differences is key to determining which vessel holds the upper hand in a direct confrontation. We'll delve into their unique designs and operational philosophies to give you a clear picture. The USS Voyager, though smaller, boasts impressive speed and agility. Its variable geometry warp nacelles allow for high warp speeds without damaging subspace. Equipped with advanced Federation technology, including bioneural gel packs, Voyager's computer systems are highly efficient. This allows for rapid tactical adjustments and evasive maneuvers, crucial for survival in the Delta Quadrant.
If you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh, whether you're exploring the Delta Quadrant or just heading to work. Check the description for links to these and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
The Borg Tactical Cube is a formidable opponent, designed for overwhelming force. Its sheer size and heavily armored hull provide immense durability. These cubes are equipped with powerful weaponry and adaptive shields that quickly neutralize enemy attacks. Their decentralized structure means they can remain functional even with significant damage, making them incredibly resilient in battle. Voyager's journey through the Delta Quadrant highlights its resource limitations, a significant vulnerability. Conversely, the Borg's greatest strength, their collective, can also be their downfall. Unique, unpredictable strategies, often developed by individuals like Captain Janeway, can exploit the collective's inability to think creatively. Voyager's success often hinges on ingenuity and integrating alien technology.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.